Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to download Vimeo videos on Chrome. Okay, now here as you can see when I open Vimeo here, you do not actually find the download button beside any one of these videos. So in order to download them, you just have to click on these three vertical dots on the top right side, then go and click on extension, then go and click on visit Chrome web store. Then you should search for Vimeo, just like so, then hit the enter, and here you have multiple options. So simply I will go for anyone. Let's say this one, for example, free Vimeo downloader. Then click on add to Chrome. Then click on add extension. And now it was added. As you can see, it is now added. Here is it. Now we're going to refresh the page. After refreshing the page, I'm going to click on download option. And it is toggled on. Now I will go for any video. Let's say this video, for example. And now if you want to download it, you just have to click on it. Then go and click on this download menu, and this is how you can actually download it. It will be downloaded to your PC, and you can even use another extension. Just type here Vimeo and try to see other extensions. Free Vimeo downloader, for example. Try to see other extensions that will work with you properly without any problems. Another good extension, if you find this extension didn't work, is video downloader for Vimeo. You just have to scroll down until you find here this option, video downloader for Vimeo. Here it has, as you can see, 5-star rating. I'm going to click on add extension. Then it will be added to my Chrome, for example, like so. And here we have it. This one is the better option. Now we're going to pin this one right here. And now let's open any video. Let's say this video, for example, or this video. Now when you go and click on the extension on the top right side here, you can see that you can download the video from this current page. You just have to play the video for a couple of seconds and it will be displayed just right here. You just have to click on download. And now let me show you exactly how will it download in front of you, just in order to make sure that everything is working properly. Now we can choose between which one do you want to download it. This video is giving me error. Let's try another video. Let's say this one here, for example. I'm gonna hit the download button, then I'm gonna choose any one of them. I'm gonna choose this one, for example, and it will be downloaded to my PC. I don't know why it's giving me error, but this is two different methods in order to download the Vimeo videos. Or you can simply type here Vimeo video downloader, Vimeo video downloader, and here you have this option right here, this one right here. And now let me take the link of this video. In order to take the link of this video, you just have to copy it like so, then paste it right here, then click on download, and here you have multiple options. I'll go for the 1080p, for example, or the 20 or the 240, and now it is being downloaded. So these are three different methods in order to download the Vimeo videos. And now I have downloaded it. Now I can open it, and here we go. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.